Have you ever thought investing is only for rich people? Today you'll discover how almost anyone can begin investing, even with just a few dollars. Maybe your wallet feels almost empty right now. That's completely okay because everyone starts somewhere. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting for the perfect time. The truth is that starting small beats waiting forever. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do step by step. No confusing financial jargon. Think of investing like climbing stairs. You don't jump to the top. You simply take one step at a time. Sometimes the money you need is already hiding in your daily spending habits. Before investing, build the simple habit of saving consistently. Even tiny amounts matter. Your emergency savings protect your investments. It keeps you from selling during tough times. Dividing your money into simple categories makes managing it much easier. You don't need hundreds of dollars. Even one small investment can begin your journey. Knowledge is one investment nobody can take away from you. Saving keeps your money safe. Investing gives it the chance to grow. Investing is like growing a tree. It starts small but becomes stronger over time. Patience is one of the most valuable skills every investor can learn. Real investing is usually slow and steady, not overnight riches. Today, investing is easier than ever thanks to beginner-friendly apps. Taking small steps keeps you from feeling overwhelmed. One of the safest places for beginners is something called an ETF. We'll explain it in simple words. Instead of buying one company, an ETF lets you own tiny pieces of many companies at once. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to build your investing foundation. Let's begin with the very first practical step. Step 1 is knowing where your money goes every month. You can't invest money you don't know you have. Write down every expense for 1 month. You may be surprised where small amounts disappear. Separate your spending into needs, wants, and savings. This makes budgeting much easier. Check for subscriptions you barely use. Canceling just one could become your first investment. Start saving automatically whenever you get paid. Consistency is more important than the amount. Choose one day every month to invest. Turning it into a routine removes emotion from the process. Even $10 can be enough to start with many modern investment platforms. Small investments grow over time just like a snowball gets bigger as it rolls. Growth doesn't happen overnight. Keep feeding your investments regularly. Time is one of the greatest advantages an investor can have. Now it's time to open your investment account. Most apps make the process surprisingly simple. You'll usually need basic personal information to verify your account. Next, securely connect your bank account so you can transfer money. Transfer only the amount you've already decided to invest. Stick to your plan. Now let's search for an ETF, one of the easiest investments for beginners. Think of an ETF like one basket holding many different companies. You've probably heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. ETFs follow exactly that idea. With one investment, you can own tiny pieces of hundreds of companies. Before buying, always read the basic information about the ETF you're considering. Congratulations, you're only one simple click away from becoming an investor. In the next part, we'll learn how to choose wisely and avoid common beginner mistakes. Not all ETFs are exactly the same. Spend a few minutes comparing them before you invest. Some ETFs invest in companies from around the world. This spreads your risk across many countries. Pay attention to fees. Lower costs mean more of your money stays invested. Reading a simple fund summary helps you understand exactly what you're buying. When you're ready, make your first purchase. Congratulations, you're officially an investor. Your first investment may feel small, but it's a huge milestone. Sometimes the market goes down. That's completely normal. Don't panic when prices fall. Emotional decisions often hurt long-term investors. Successful investing often means doing less, not more. Think in years, not days. Wealth usually grows slowly over time. Keep adding money every month, even if it's a small amount. Small deposits add up faster than most people expect. This is the power of consistency. Every contribution helps your investments grow. Your money can start earning returns, and those returns can earn even more returns. That's called compounding, and it's one of the biggest reasons to start early. Keep learning as you invest. Knowledge helps you make better decisions. Stay away from promises of quick riches. Long-term investing wins far more often. A simple monthly routine is all many successful investors need. After a few months, you'll begin seeing the results of staying consistent. Great job so far. In the next part, we'll cover the biggest investing mistakes beginners make and how to avoid every one of them. Every investor makes mistakes. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to avoid the expensive ones. Don't check your investments every hour. Constant watching often creates unnecessary stress. Sometimes the smartest move is simply closing the app and living your life. Checking your investments once a month is usually more than enough. Another mistake is chasing the latest hot stock everyone is talking about. Ignore the hype. A simple diversified ETF is often the smarter choice. Markets go down sometimes. That's normal, not a reason to panic. Selling because you're scared can lock in losses that might have recovered later. Patience is one of the greatest advantages any beginner can have. Keep investing regularly whether the market is up or down. Long-term thinking usually beats trying to predict tomorrow's market. Every monthly investment is like watering a tree that keeps growing. The more you learn about money, the more confident you'll become. Celebrate small wins. Building good habits is more important than chasing perfect results. Every big investment portfolio once started as a tiny seed. Steady progress may seem slow, but it becomes powerful over time. Always protect yourself with an emergency fund before taking bigger risks. Ignore the daily noise and focus on the overall direction over many years. The secret isn't finding the perfect investment. The secret is staying consistent. You've learned the fundamentals. In the final part, we'll put everything together into a simple lifelong investing plan. Let's put everything together into one simple investing plan you can follow for years. First, earn money from your job, business, or any reliable source of income. Next, divide your money wisely. Pay your bills, save for emergencies, and invest the rest. Make saving and investing automatic whenever you get paid. Choose a simple diversified ETF and invest consistently instead of chasing trends. After investing, be patient. Let time do most of the hard work. Repeat this process every month. Small actions repeated consistently create amazing results. Your portfolio won't grow in a straight line, but over time it has the opportunity to grow. Review your investments occasionally, but don't obsess over every market move. News headlines are designed to grab attention. Your long-term plan should stay the same. The biggest advantage you have is time. Think in decades, not days. This is what consistency can create. Growth happens little by little. Continue learning about personal finance. Every lesson helps you make smarter decisions. Wealth isn't built in one giant leap. It's built one step at a time. Discipline beats luck almost every time when it comes to investing. When you understand investing, share what you've learned with others. Good knowledge is worth passing on. Imagine where your investments could be in 5 or 10 years if you simply stay consistent. You don't need a lot of money. You only need the courage to take the first step. You now have everything you need to begin your investing journey with confidence. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about making smart decisions again and again. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe for more simple money tips, and share it with someone who's ready to start investing today. See you in the next video.